Fest is really a celebration of innovation and incredible student creativity that we have across all of our different schools in the Faculty of Engineering and IT. Everything from AI to robotics and cybersecurity are showcased.
Tech Fest is exciting.
It's a great way to meet people, it's a great way to exchange ideas and to importantly learn off others to solve complex problems.
Everyone's just so proud of what they've done. Achieve whatever you want to achieve, I think.
Tech Fest isn't just an event, it's really a launch pad for students to come along and to showcase their skills and their talent. It's also an opportunity for our partners to get a front row seat to the creativity and the skills that UTS students have.